Yeah, told you.
Don't get a splinter, Andre.
I'm okay.
Don't scratch the RV truck, Andre.
No, he's fine. Come on, Roman, go! Roman, you may want to hit the passenger side windshield.
We're gonna buy one piece of wood for Tommy.
With what? Can you hold it? Can you please hold it? This is more work than I budgeted for, Robert. Dude, that's never gonna work.
What's never gonna work?
Using this giant truck as a daily driver pickup.
Andre, this is the coolest truck in the entire world.
Yes, that's true. It looks amazing, but it's too tall, it's loud, it's slow, it's stinky. No, this is not gonna be a daily driver, dude.
Well, not with that attitude.
The air pressure is low. That's why it's beeping.
Yeah, makes it cool.
Well, yeah, it has to build up pressure.
Yes, it's got air brakes. Listen to that sound, Andre. How cool is that? Come on. You've got the biggest toy in the toy box.
It is a big toy. I totally agree with you there. But dude, I'm not really looking forward to the drive.
Oh, I'm looking forward to it. This is going to be so much fun. All right, so the plan is we're going to go first to Home Depot. And on the way there, we're going to wash it. Because we're going to wash it since we got it. Then we're going to get some supplies for Tommy at Home Depot.
Yes.
Then we're going to fill it up with diesel.
And tow a trailer.
And then at the end, we're going to tow the trailer that we almost ran into.
Exactly.
All right, let's go do this, man.
By the way, dude, this truck has air, but the brakes are not full air.
Ah, what are they?
They're hydraulic, like normal.
Yeah.
They're drum brakes, but they have air boost, and air is used for four-wheel drive and for your rear locker.
Ah, I see. So basically, you've got the CDL, so you know. That's why you're the managing editor of TFL Truck.
And you probably do need to have a CDL. This truck is pretty heavy.
This truck's a lot of things. There we go. I had hot air blowing on me.
Dude, this additional air conditioner is really nice.
Yeah, I think that was a smart move to get it.
Yeah.
Here's what makes this truck so good, Andre. It's a Bob deuce and a half, which means that they've removed one set of axle.
Okay.
So instead of having a 6x6, we got a 4x4, and it's got about the same footprint as a dually, which makes it actually look very tall, which it is, but it's not much wider or longer than a standard dually, which makes it very usable.
I would agree with you there, but it's still, well, we'll see how it parks, right? Because I want to see its turning radius and see if it's a Queen Mary or if it is actually usable.
The other thing that's great about it is you have no fear. If somebody wants to T-bone us, I'm okay with that.
Well, they're going to go under us.
Exactly.
This truck has 46s.
I know. And look, if you're not on the highway, it actually kind of keeps up with traffic. It's relatively comfortable, especially in your seat because you got the bouncy seat.
I do have a spring seat, which is weight sensitive. I can turn it up or down.
And you got all these crazy cool controls. And you know, the more controls, the better.
I know, it's amazing. It's like an airplane.
Exactly.
And it looks amazing. I agree with you. When you look at this truck, it looks like a toy came to life.
What more could you want? Now there is one problem with it.
What?
And I've got the solution.
Roman, you don't want to hear me?
I don't want to hear the truck. This Caterpillar is way, way, way loud. And this sorts it, but look, I didn't forget about you, Andre.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah, you're welcome. Yeah. Now we can go to Home Depot.
Yes.
But you know what? Let's stop and wash it because we got these bugs where we towed it from Utah.
Yeah.
So
we need to wash it.
Let's wash them off.
Yeah.
Make it so.
Let's go.
Andre!
Oh, she's gonna be so clean. This is kind of difficult because there's not a lot of space.
I'm surprised you got it in here. You're gonna get all those bugs off.
You should get the brush, Roman.
Hey, Andre, if I get the brush, are you worried about scratching the paint?
No.
Another reason why these are great.
Oh yeah, 46-inch tires.
All right, I'm doing the brush. How the hell do I get
You
up
want to
there?
climb up there? Oh, look at this. Oh, look at this. He's taking the bath.
Don't scratch it. Don't scratch the army truck, Andre.
No, he's fine. He's fine. Look at this. He's enjoying this scrubbing. Do you have a rubber ducky, Roman?
I don't.
Oh, are you gonna climb up there?
You got. It's not. There's nothing I could do.
No?
No. Unless I jump on the fender. You wouldn't do this in a regular truck, would you?
No.
You wouldn't climb on top of the fender, but with a military truck.
Oh yeah, look at this, Roman. Wow. So this is a straight six 6.6 liter Caterpillar, 170 horsepower, Roman.
Yeah, you shouldn't have said that. That's kind of lame, actually. But how much torque?
Lots of torques.
Yeah, lots
Nobody
of
knows how many torques it has.
It's got too many torques. Nice work, Andre. Don't fall.
Ah! Oh, I just almost fell.
I think you got it.
Roman, you know I love washing trucks because you get to know the vehicle when
Yeah.
you're washing it, right?
For sure.
But it's a pain in the butt.
Well, that means you don't love washing trucks. The harder something is, the more
Well, when you
satisfying
we
it
need
is.
more space. This wash needs to be wider.
Oh, this is perfect. I was afraid we couldn't even get in here. Look at that. Just a little bit of elbow grease that you're applying.
Okay.
And I don't think it's that bad. I was worried we couldn't, we couldn't even get it in here. And yet, look at this. It's working well. I'll finish it up. You
Okay.
had your turn. I'll do mine. We're also going to find out if it leaks, Andre.
Oh yeah, because the windshield folds open.
Yeah, we'll just see how wet it is inside when we get out of there. It feels so satisfying getting all this goop off of it.
Yes, this is nice.
Yeah.
All right, Roman, are you gonna check for leaks?
Oh, it leaked.
Oh. Okay. Well, a little bit.
It leaked.
So you've got a little bit of water here, but it may have come through, like through the door. Do you see anything else?
No, it's not bad. There's a little bit of soap there. All right, next stop, Home Depot.
Let's do it. Let's get some woodworking done. Get some wood.
We're gonna buy one piece of wood for Tommy.
With what?
Yeah, that's all we're putting in here. It kind of defeats the purpose. I mean, you could put another car in here. What's the payload of this, Andre?
It's an infinite. We could put that Chevy in the back of this. We can put
Case wants to put the military truck in here. The military.
the little wheelies.
The World War II.
Yes.
Jeep, yeah.
Yes.
All right, that's coming up.
Off-road video coming soon.
Stay tuned. All right, well, let's get to Home Depot.
Hello? Hey everybody! Wow! Boy, do I need a haircut. Things are kind of weird on YouTube right now. Most creators in the car space are down 40 to 50% year over year, which is why I want to give a huge thank you to our Patreon followers for keeping us going during this crazy time. And as a thank you, you guys are getting access to some crazy new content like this.
Yeah, Case can
I
put
will
down
say
some dogs.
you did show me a picture of you where you had 7 brats on your plate.
Or
and-
5. It was a
Oh,
a
I'm
pack
sorry,
of brats.
5. That's a lot.
Hot dogs
dude.
are so much more embarrassing than brats.
In retrospect, that may have lost us more Patreon followers than it gained us. But seriously, guys, a huge thank you to everyone on Patreon for following us during this crazy time. For just $2 a month, you get access to behind-the-scenes clips and crazy, weird podcasts. So check us out. Thanks. Appreciate ya.
So Roman, you just drove here from the car wash.
Uh-huh.
What do you think?
You know what? I hate the brake because look what happens when I try to put my foot on the brake. I mean, the difference between the brake and the accelerator is a good 8 inches. So I have to put my leg way up here.
Yeah, up there.
Hit
Yes.
the steering wheel to actually work the brake, and then it doesn't actually do anything until you get to the bottom. It's like a workout, and yeah, it's just really awkward.
What do you expect? You have to be a strong 18-year-old man
Does this thing
or woman and go into battle.
Does this telescope?
No, not telescope.
No. Well, that's a problem.
It doesn't go up and down either.
Also, this air conditioner keeps hitting my head.
It's okay.
On the pointy bit here. Andre, what are the bad parts of this? I know you've kind of got a little list of things you've made up.
Well, first of all, it's hard to clean, as you can see, because you forgot the exhaust pipe,
Yes, but
okay?
it's big, Andre. It's big.
It's loud.
But it's big, Andre. It's enormous.
It's bouncy.
Yes, but you're on top of the world because it's giant.
Sometimes it's hard to see out of.
Yes, but it's the biggest toy in the sandbox, and that makes driving it feel special. So yeah, there's a lot of compromises. It's a pain in the ass, but at the end of the day, is it utilitarian?
Well, we'll find out. We're
Go.
at Home Depot.
Let's go get some lumber.
I have a better idea. Why don't we get a pallet of bricks?
Hey Tommy,
What's up?
what wood do you want? What do you want? What size do you need?
I think I'm pretty sure I'm using like 3/8.
And how many boards do you want?
Let's do 3.
You want 3 boards?
Of 3/8.
Okay. All right.
3. So that at least we're getting a little bit of weight.
That's too thin. You want 3/8.
Do I have to do this?
I'll help you.
Come on. We're like two grumpy old men. Throw that away, Roman.
I'll put it back.
Throw it away.
Oh, this is nice stuff. Yeah, this seems too nice.
Oh, this is $69. Come on, Roman, go! This is brought to you by Home Depot.
This one's bad. Look at it. Here's the good stuff. Don't get a splinter, Andre.
I'm okay.
Oh. You know, Andre, I think we got the biggest truck for the smallest load.
I know. Why are we doing this?
Because we're proving that cool is better than utilitarian.
Okay.
I'm not sure it's
So
working.
it's a size thing. I mean, for this plywood, it's a 4x8, right?
Yeah.
So we can see exactly what it's like in this bed.
I have this fear, Andre, that we're going to spend more in diesel than we are for the boards. I just spent $80 on these 3 boards.
Yeah.
So you think we're going to put more diesel into it?
That might be close, actually.
Yeah, I know.
It might be very close.
This is not turning out to be a very smart outing. Andre, where's the fob to open this?
There's no fob.
Yeah, I know.
Chains, my friend. You need to put this to hold this.
This is like bench pressing wood to get it in here.
We put a couple of bed liners. Of course,
We have 2 bed liners in here.
we have 3 bed liners.
We have 3.
We have painted one.
Yeah, we have a Line-X.
We have this
well.
and we have that. All right, Roman, is it windy? I might fly away. Rah! So it's bigger than 4x8.
Oh my
Look,
God.
it's got size on each side, a little bit of space, and almost 9 feet. Oh, okay, I'm good. Also, there's another option. You could let it drop all the way down, get some better access, or we have 2 hitches. Look at this, a pintle hitch. We've got a 2-inch receiver with a wave safe. So we're set to go.
All right, Andre, should we fill it
Are
up?
you ready? Well, you said you bet me that about $80, right?
Yeah, I bet you it's about $80.
It could be.
Well, we did put half a tank in there when we were in Moab.
Yeah, and we used a lot of it. Actually, even today we used a lot of it.
Yeah. The question is it going to cost more to buy the wood or more to fill up the truck?
I think the wood is going to be more expensive,
Yeah, well,
I
let's
would say.
let's find out here.
Please don't do that. No, no, no. Don't take the gasoline, please.
I'm doing diesel. Oh, no, thank you. Yeah. God, that would have been bad. All right, I'll do the honors. All right, here we go. Begin fueling.
It should be less than 80.
Not only is it big, but you do have nice conversation with a lot of people.
Everybody, we get a lot of thumbs up,
Yeah.
from a lot of different folks.
There's a
Yeah.
guy who's next to us who wanted the drag race.
Exactly, in the old Mercedes, well, not old, in the Mercedes van.
yeah. So it is a conversation starter.
Yeah.
Oh,
See, I told you.
you're right.
We spent more on the plywood than we did here.
If only Tommy had bought just 2.
But we only have 1 tank, right? It's on the passenger side.
Yep.
It's about 40 gallons-ish.
Ish.
But it's enough.
Yeah, we just put in 21. So we're about half of it.
Yeah.
Andre, there's one more thing to do to find out if this is a good daily driver, because let's face it, for $39,000, this is cheaper than most pickups.
Exactly, dude. Do you want to go camping?
Yeah, I want to go camping. We've got this off-road camper by MDC.
Yep.
It's from ROA Off-Road. They lent it to
Exactly.
us. And this is a rough and tumble camper that fits a rough and tumble truck.
I know. I mean, that trailer has off-road tires and great suspension. This truck is tough and it's got off-road tires too.
I could see people actually using this truck to pull that trailer, and it's, what, 7,000 pounds? So this should be kids' play for
Oh,
this.
yeah. Look, help me back up, please.
I'll help you back it up. Come on, start her up. Back it up, Andre.
It's not starting. Hold on. Hold on.
All right, I'm holding on. Well, good thing it's not starting here at the ranch. Oh, there it is. The cutoff switch for the automatic transmission has to be in exactly the right place. All right, back it up. Back it up, back it up. Keep coming. Are you going the wrong way? Keep coming. Keep coming. All right, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. Keep coming, keep coming. You got like this much. Keep going, keep going, keep going. One more foot. One more foot. Whoa, 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 whoa. Turn it off, would you? Houston, we have a problem.
What's going on?
We have a problem. Come look.
Okay. There's
we
no
got the-
problem. This
Yeah, we-
truck is tough.
No, it's not the truck. It's the hitch. So we've got our way safe hitch,
Yes.
and I just noticed something. Do you see the
Oh.
problem?
Oh, yeah. Oh.
This is a problem.
Yeah, we have this articulating hitch, which requires a pin, but we have a ball here.
Yeah, so do you have the hitch for the camper?
Yeah, let me
All right,
see.
let's swap it out.
Let me see.
Yeah, let's put it in there. Well, no problem, Andre. We can get past this.
Okay. Okay, so this is the only one we have. This is, see? So this is basically a Cruise Master hitch that goes like this,
Uh-huh.
and then articulates and goes like this.
Oh, that's cool. So when you're off-road, it
Yeah.
has much more range of motion. Except,
Except,
yeah, that's a problem.
It's
We
a
don't
little
have- do we-
taller.
Do we have a drop?
well, not for this.
Dude, we can't use that.
Should we try it? What if this truck squats? Do you think it'll squat?
We're not going to be able to raise it high enough to even get it underneath there.
Hold up.
It's going to be like it's doing a wheelie.
Okay, hold on. I'm coming up. I'm coming up.
No one tows with it. We're gonna.
Hold up. I'm still coming up. I'm cranking. Oh, I'm out of jack. Do you think it'll still work? Hold on.
No, not even close. We're not even close, dude.
Oh,
So when we bought this truck, we had them put on a traditional hitch. Of course, it's got this military one right here, which is
yeah,
even
the pintle.
taller.
Yeah.
But with these 46s, we're not going to be able to do that.
So there's a couple solutions for this. You know, we could get a different shank here,
Yeah. All right.
but I cannot currently put this attachment on a way safe. Not yet.
All right. So to be continued.
I guess to be continued. We'll go camping next time.
So we have 2 more videos to do. One, we have to put the World War II Jeep, and then 2, we have to go pull a trailer with it.
I have a conclusion, Roman.
What's that?
It's not about the size, it's about how you use it.
Oh God.
Right?
Yeah. So let's do this. If that's true,
Yeah.
then I'll let you use the truck as a truck, and you can take the wood out of there for Tommy.
Oh no. Okay, I'll do it. I'll do it.
And
I'll do it.
I'm gonna go back to the office and have a cool drink because it's really hot out here. No, I look.
No, it's a super cool truck.
It's a super cool truck, but I
Yeah.
think the best use for this is either floods, because it's a high clearance
Or
vehicle,
parades.
or parades with your friends. I think as an everyday truck, it's a bit of a handful.
Or just like cars and coffee gatherings. You know, we met so many cool people today just because of this truck.
Yeah, if you have a lack of friends, get yourself one of these. All right, we'll see you next time. Ciao.